Hi everyone. Because a lot of you are using still images in your videos, especially for the digital storytelling, and that's fine, I wanted to share with you what's called sometimes the Ken Burns effect, which simply means using some tools in your video editor to help give the illusion of motion to still images. And in addition to giving that illusion, also to call out or bring to greater attention certain elements in those still photographs. So I was going to give a quick demonstration. What I'm going to do now is to click on this video demonstration on this Wikipedia page. And then with my Camtasia open, I'm actually going to be setting zoom and pans here on Camtasia. Okay, here's my Camtasia page open. I click on zoom and pan in the toolbar. Then go up and grab one of the sizing tools and just bring it down to the area that you want to show on your screen. As you can see, you can position it on all axes, X, Y, and Z. Now that created a keyframe, and right now the blue triangle leading into the keyframe, the diamond, is the duration of the zoom. It can be either 0 or it can go in Camtasia all the way up to 5 seconds. So let's set it on 5 seconds. And let's move it out here. So we're going to have a 5-second zoom into that little Wikipedia video. So a click. Okay, here comes the zoom. It's zooming in. And this is a little dodgy because I'm recording a recording, but it supposedly took 5 seconds to zoom in on the little video. Okay, here is the actual demonstration of the Ken Burns effect. The first thing you're going to see are the two opposing generals in the Confederate War, Robert E. Lee. His image comes on the screen, and then we zoom into it, getting a more personal close-up look. And here's the opposing Union general. His image comes on, and then we zoom in to get a more personal close-up look. Okay, so that's how you kind of do it with people. Now here is actually one large illustration or painting divided up into little images of the Union Confederate battle. So we're cutting back and forth from the Union side to the Confederate side. But this is still one painting, and there's the entire painting right there. Now we cut to the real photograph of the aftermath of that very battle, and then zoom in on the dead to get a close-up image of that horrific picture. Okay, so that's how to use some zoom and pan, or how Ken Burns did it. Now I'm going to show you how to pan up. So what I'm going to do, I'll go over here to my zoom and pan. I click on Add Keyframe. That adds a keyframe down on my timeline. There it is. And now I'm simply going to size my window to what I want it to scan, to what that keyframe is going to look like once it gets scanned there. So I size my window, my preview. Okay, that's what I want it to pan up to, zoom up to, and I'm going to set my duration at the max, 5 seconds. And as you can see, the triangle spreads out there. Okay, let's go back and let's start this baby, and you will see it pan in as we get going here. Now there it scans up. So in other words, you can take one large palette, one large screen, and you can move around, scan around, zoom in, zoom out, scan left, scan right, however you want to, and in effect give that thing some action.